Hi, I've been judged for having a lot of male friends, and in my college, when I entered the department, I didn't know girls from the department, and so I used to be with the guys I knew, and I've got a lot of different stares.
Have you ever been judged? Or have you ever judged someone? Do you guys know that judging is a kind of mental problem? Hello all, this is Neetika and today we are going to talk about judgments. Why should we talk about judgments? It's a very common mistake people make and it's hard to change. Every one of us judge and are being judged. So what's so serious about it? Yes, it's very common, but just because everyone are doing it, we should not normalize it. Judging is wrong. A few of my friends share their stories, and this comparison and judgment starts from day one, and this is not acceptable. Let's see why we judge. What makes us judge people? People have their own values and standards which they follow in their life. We take life decisions based on these values. We differentiate right and wrong based on these values. For example, one of your values might be getting a divorce and marrying for the second time is wrong. So you'll make sure you never get a divorce, or even if you get, you'll make sure that you don't marry for the second time. This decision of yours came from your value, but this may be completely different for me because my values are different. Well, what values has to do with judgments? We measure someone else's life by our values, and this is why we end up judging them. So the girl who won't marry for the second time will judge me if I do it because according to her values, this is wrong. Well, where do we get our values from? Since from your childhood until you become an adult, you get molded by family, friends, schools, colleges, society, and media. All these things teach you a certain set of values which you follow. But once you become an adult, once you're able to think rationally, your values should not be what society taught you. It should be your own values based on your likes and dislikes and based on what your heart and mind says. And don't measure others by your own values and standards. They are not living your life.
And I don't exactly have an innocent face, so they've judged me to be rude and not friendly enough, and a person with a lot of attitude.
This also happened to me. People judge that I'm rude and arrogant by looking at my face. Is it right to judge people by looking at their face? I love dressing up, but people judge me for the way I dress. Is this right? Judging people has a lot of effects on them. They feel isolated, criticized, ashamed, and they're also less likely to talk about what they're going through.
So even when I have tried to approach people, they've walked away, and it has been hard. So I tried to make myself alone, and I've spent quite a few days being alone.
Many people don't do what they like just because people will judge them. Understand this. When you change your life to fit in other people's values, you'll never live your life. And also when you do this, you'll automatically expect other people to live by your values. Don't be that person who points out people without realizing that your own fingers are already pointing at you. Do you ever judge yourself for the mistakes you make? No, because you know what you're going through. Then why judge someone else without knowing what they're going through? Don't normalize judging. Judging is wrong. Your judgments can stop someone from living their life. You live by your values and let people live by their own values. Respect people's values and standards. So let's stop judging.
Stop judging.
Stop judging.
Stop judging.
Stop judging.
Stop judging.
We don't have the power to change everyone, but we can change ourselves. Stop judging. Thank you.